Hello guys, welcome, and today we will discuss writing task 1. It's a line graph. The question says the graph below shows the number of shops that closed and the number of new shops that opened in one country between 2011 and 2018. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So the graph basically describes the number of new shops that closed and opened between the years 2011 and 2018. Okay, so as you can see with the key, overall we can see that there are major fluctuations. So for example, if we look at openings first, okay, openings are marked by just, so starting number of shops that were opened were just above 8,000, okay, in the year 2011. By the year 2012, the number of shops that opened were just 4,000. So basically we had a drastic drop from nearly 8,500 to 4,000, and then slowly as the years went, they picked up. So by 2014, the level in the year 2014 was around what, 6,000, and it again dropped to 4,000. From the year 2015 to year 2018, it showed minor fluctuation. The opening showed minor fluctuation, and the number of openings was just above 3,000. Okay, so overall we can see that there were huge fluctuations, okay, in the number of shops that opened. Now let's look at the number of shops that were closed. Okay, so in terms of closures, we can see between the years 2011 to 2014, there were minor fluctuations. Started just above 6,000, then went to 6,000, then went above 7,000, just above 7,000, and in the year 2014 went to again just above 6,000. So we basically see that the number of shop closures between the years 11 to 14 had minor fluctuation, as I have written. Okay, but in the year 2015, this one, we saw a huge drop, a massive drop, basically from just above 6,000 to nearly a level of 1,000. Okay, below 1,000, just below 1,000. This is the biggest drop off. Okay, but again in the year 2016 we see a major climb. In the year 2016 we had a major climb up, this one. Okay, so the number of shop closures again increased from just above 900 to 5,000. Okay, to just above 5,000. But from the years 2016 to 2018, we see another small fluctuation. Okay, I have used the term fluctuation in this graph a lot. A fluctuation is variation or small changes. Changes. Okay, so what we can see overall while their number of openings have been more than the number of closures, but both have seen huge fluctuations, okay, between the years 2011 to 2018. Okay, so this is the graph. I want you to understand the graph. Try to do it by yourself, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. I've already posted a detailed video on how to write introduction as well as different types of charts that are asked in writing task 1. Please check them out as well. I'll post the link on the description link, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button